right. So what question do you have about this modality? Any doubts or
Ma'am,
anything that
yes.
you want to ask about tarot card reading?
Ma'am, I have a question which is very curious also, very serious also.
Okay.
In that aspect, in the same day, it happens that different tarot card readers give current readings in a different manner. Why is it so?
Hmm.
In the same day itself, if I ask
Hmm.
my partner's current feelings, why do I get
Hmm.
different readings from the
Hmm.
different
Hmm.
tarot
Hmm. Hmm.
readers? This is a very
Have
vital,
you
crucial
attended our
question,
session
ma'am.
earlier as well, Sanchari? This
Yes,
is
ma'am. Guruji?
yeah. You are you attending this session for the second time today? I believe you have attended once before as well, right?
Yes, yes. I've attended once. Was
Actually, you
earlier. Means
attended one.
Because
Okay,
I
okay,
very
great.
well remember, Sanchari, that this is the very question that you had asked the last time, and we have actually answered this.
yes, yes, yes. Yes, actually, these are
So you have
questions which
shared,
every time arises in my mind.
yeah,
ठीक है
these are
चलो
the
ठीक है since you have asked this question let's discuss that. See the point is that कि first of all इसका answer I don't think so I'll be able to offer because you know what I would suggest even if you're contacting different readers in a same day asking for the readings I would suggest take the readings which really resonates to your heart and leave the rest because हर एक का स्किल अलग रहता है उनके टेक्निक्स अलग रहते हैं मेथड्स अलग रहते हैं एंड आई एम नो वन टू जज और नो वन टू कमेंट ऑन द रीडिंग्स विच अदर पीपल आर ऑफरिंग राइट सो द पॉइंट इज दैट कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई नीड हेल्प टुडे एंड आई एम एट अ वेरी लोएस्ट पॉइंट टुडे and I have option to go to 6 tarot card readers, okay? I will definitely approach them, ask the same question, okay? मान के चलो हर एक का रीडिंग अलग भी आता है बट कुछ तो since you are also in this field meditation aura cleansing and everything so I believe that you sense the
Yes,
energy is right, okay? I believe your
exactly. Yes,
intuitions are strong so even if you're
yes,
getting 6 different readings if your heart is saying no I can resonate with the third reading which is offered to me by that XYZ tarot card reader so trust that reading. All right. And another thing is, I would like to advise, like, why do you have to approach 5 to 6 tarot card readers?
yes,
Okay, मान के
yes,
चलो,
yes.
see, what you can do is what you can do is, if you know, for example, these are the renowned readers as per your data or research, right? Ask universe, before even contacting readers, just you can just meditate, calm yourself down, ask universe, ki whom should I contact? मान के चलो फॉर एग्जाम्पल आज ना मुझे बहुत हेल्थ का इश्यूज है और मुझे पता है कि ये 5 रीडर बहुत अच्छे हैं एंड आई मेडिटेटेड आई प्रेड टू द मास्टर्स आई प्रेड टू द यूनिवर्स प्लीज शो मी द राइट पाथ एंड सडनली इंट्यूटिवली आई फील लेट्स कॉन्टेक्ट दैट सेकेंड रीडर और मैंने कांटेक्ट किया ठीक है और शायद रीडिंग अच्छा जो भी रीडिंग उसने ऑफर किया आई कुड रिलेट एंड एवरीथिंग नेक्स्ट टाइम फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम सफरिंग फ्रॉम डिफरेंट इशू same thing I did. I would, first meditate. I will ask universe. I'll go within and find out कि out of 5 whom should I contact. Not just because last time मैंने वो second reader को contact किया तो उसको ही contact करना है. Not necessary. Probably now
yes,
the fourth reader, your intuition might say कि contact fourth reader. Probably उसके तरफ से अच्छा आपको reading आएगा. So instead of I personally feel that instead of asking, one question to different tarot card readers at the same time,
yes.
take
Mhm.
time to shortlist your reader. And I'm not saying कि every time कि ये बंदे को ही shortlist करना है या बंदी को ही shortlist करना है. वो हर एक सिचुएशन आपका अलग रहेगा कि आज आपको लग रहा है कि चलो मुझे करियर के रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम है. Intuitively, you can take a call, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Guruji. Thank you very much. Yeah. And one more thing, Guruji, I also had one question. That is, do you think?
Listen, don't say Guruji. Call me Charuta, please.
Okay.
Call me
Okay.
Charuta. Yeah.
Yes.